Hey everybody, it's Chad Lee getting on the 55. Joe's been keeping real busy here in the fab shop. As we had seen, he had cut the main floor out, did a bunch more additional trimming. Then he mocked up the new one-piece floor, which required some additional trimming, especially back at the where it meets up to the mini tubs. Then he pulled the floor back out again and actually welded the new inner rockers to the floor, as you can see there. Then put the floor back into the car again and is doing all the final fitting and trimming, and he's got the body bolts in to make sure all that stuff fits properly. Obviously we want the car to bolt down properly to the Morrison chassis. He had to do a little bit of patchwork in the toe boards there, and now he's getting pretty close to actually final welding the floor into place. Then after that he'll be addressing the outer rockers. So it's been pretty cool to watch him do this process. Again, you can watch the process through photos on our website at metalworksclassics.com. And of course, keep checking back on the videos here. We'll keep updating you as often as possible. But that's where things stand today. Thanks for checking in, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care.